Seville is a city of flamenco, tapas bars, and Moorish palaces. But beyond the famous plazas and orange trees, this Andalusian capital offers more than meets the eye. Plazas that glow after dark, ancient Roman ruins just outside the city, and workshops where artisans teach you centuries-old crafts. So where do you start? In this video, you'll find 6 unique things to do in Seville. You can watch this traditional dance literally anywhere in Seville, but taking a class gives you a better understanding of what's behind it. You'll try a few basic steps and arm movements and get a sense of the posture and tension that give flamenco its intensity. It's not about mastering it in an hour, it's about connecting with the culture. Want to see the real thing after your class? Skip the tourist tablaos and head to Triana. Look for a peña, a local flamenco club. If there's space, step in and experience flamenco up close and unfiltered. Everyone visits Plaza de España during the day, but the real magic happens after dark. Built for the 1929 Ibero-American Exposition, it's one of the most ambitious public spaces in Europe. A sweeping semicircle of Renaissance Moorish architecture wrapping around fountains, bridges, and a tiled canal that seems to go on forever. At night, the floodlights come on and the whole thing transforms. The ceramic tile alcoves, one for each Spanish province, hand-painted with maps and historic scenes, glow in warm amber. The crowds thin out, the heat finally breaks, and you can actually stop and read the tiles without someone bumping into you. Walk the full perimeter, cross one of the 4 bridges, or just sit by the water and watch it reflect the lit-up facade. Just outside Seville lies Italica, an ancient Roman city that's been sitting here for nearly 2,000 years. This is where emperors Hadrian and Trajan were born, and the scale of what they left behind is hard to prepare for. You'll wander through the remains of grand villas with intricate mosaics still intact, and stand in an amphitheatre that was once one of the largest in the Roman Empire. Looks familiar? That's because Game of Thrones was filmed here. Triana has been Seville's pottery district since Roman times, and the tradition is still very much alive. In a hands-on ceramic painting workshop, you'll sit down with local artisans and learn to paint the colourful tiles you see all over Andalusia. Geometric patterns, floral designs, and techniques that go back to the Moors. You'll choose your design, mix your colours, and paint your own tile under the guidance of someone whose family has been doing this for generations. It's meditative, creative, and a lot more meaningful than buying a mass-produced souvenir. Plus, you get to take your finished piece home as a reminder of Seville that you actually made yourself. Seville's history is full of powerful women, whose stories rarely make it into the guidebooks. Go on a walking tour that flips the script, focusing on the female figures who shaped the city, from queens and artists to revolutionaries and everyday women who left their mark. You'll visit sites connected to these women, including the Royal Tobacco Factory where the legendary Carmen worked, and hear stories that add depth and context to the Seville you thought you knew. It's history from a different angle, and there's more of it than you'd expect. Sangria is everywhere in Spain, but what tourists often get is watered down and overly sweet. In a proper sangria tasting, you'll discover the difference between traditional recipes and tourist versions. You'll learn what fruits work best, how to balance the wine and spirits, and the regional variations that make each pitcher unique. Then you'll make your own, adjusting ingredients to your taste while a local expert guides you through the process. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for in a good sangria and what to avoid. Plus, you get to drink your homework, which is always a bonus. From exploring Plaza de España at night to painting your own ceramic tile, from flamenco footwork to mastering the perfect sangria, Seville is rich in unique experiences when you know where to look. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you're planning your trip, You'll find these experiences and more waiting for you.